Hello and welcome to this tutorial on setting up payment and shipping options in Shopee. This guide will help you configure your payment methods and shipping settings to ensure smooth transactions and deliveries for your shop. Let's get started. To set up your payment method, go to the left-hand menu and find Finance. Under this section, click on Bank Accounts. This is where you link your bank account to Shopee. You may be prompted to insert your password, for which you may do so. Now, click Add Bank Account and enter the necessary details. Ensure the account name that you insert matches the name registered in your bank to avoid any verification issues. After entering the details, click Save. Shopee may request additional verification, such as an OTP or document upload, so complete these steps to finalize the setup. Now let's configure your shipping options. From the left-hand menu, go to Order and select Shipping Setting. This is where you can manage various delivery methods for your shop. Once you're on the shipping setting page, ensure the Shipping Channel tab is selected. Here you'll find multiple shipping options tailored to your needs. Shopee provides various delivery options such as doorstep delivery for standard shipping, bulky delivery for larger items, and doorstep delivery sea shipping for remote regions. You can also enable a self-collection point where customers can pick up their parcels at specific locations. Once you click on any of these drop-down arrows, you can find more information or review the details with regards to that shipping option. It shows regions or even delivery fees for these options that you have available. You can click on any of these links that forwards you to more detailed instructions as to the requirements for each of these couriers. Now, once you've decided, you can toggle the on and off button here, or the switch rather, to enable or disable each shipping method. Do take note of Shopee's policy on non-SSL shipping channels or non-Shopee logistics. These do not include integrated tracking and should be used cautiously for certain deliveries. Now, if you want to boost sales, consider offering free shipping. Head to the Marketing Center and click on Vouchers to set up free shipping promotions or discounts for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully set up your payment and shipping options in Shopee. These settings will streamline transactions and deliveries, enhancing your customers' shopping experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you next time.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.